So, good morning, and still looking at the euro dollar chart. And for now, like in these days, the euro dollar is not really, like it is very crummy. And I have been observing it. Yeah, I took long right here, but it stopped me out by taking that low and respecting the consequences of this gap. Then it started going high again, which is still great. So we are respecting this gap, we are respecting this gap, right? And we have we disrespected this gap and went higher. We have taken the buy side right here, and we are inside the OTE level from that high to this low, right? As today's USD's holiday, so we're not gonna be taking any type of trade. So after taking the buy side, it immediately went down, disrespecting this 4-hour fair value gap. Now it's going back, maybe to retrace. I want to do like let's see the euro dollar chart, USD chart first. Over here, as you can see how we're respecting the contact encouragement of this weekly fair value gap, and we went higher. We took that high. We took some liquidity there. We have a little more liquidity right there, but we haven't taken that. We went back inside this order block, and well, this is Thursdays. Okay, so we should be pretty bearish. I mean, pretty bullish on the USD. Why? Because we are respecting this weekly fair value gap. This should be the bullish. My purple fair value gaps are invariant fair value gap, and blue fair value gaps are bullish fair value gaps. Yeah, man. Look how we respected the OT level from this low to that high, right? And how we respected the consequent encouragement of this weekly fair value gap, and we went higher. We took the buy side from here, and now we are retracing. So to make sure again that it's gonna go for these two equal highs again, uh, I will actually want it to respect the OT level from this low to that high, which is right here. It has dipped inside the consequent encouragement of this OT level from this low to that high though, but that'd be good if it dips one more time inside this bullish PDRA. But also market can, like it can reverse from here and starts going higher for these equal highs and the buy side over here. So the bias on the USD right now is bullish, and the bias on no, I mean the bias on this US dollar index is bullish, and the bias on Euro USD is quite bearish. If it does respects the consequent the OTE level from that high to this low, then of course it's gonna fall back, and if it does falls back, it will aim for these lows at first, these low, then these lows and these lows, and it will disrespect these bullish PD arrays. Why? Because the dollar is bullish, and if dollar goes higher, the Euro USD will fall down. So that's why. So as for now, for today, we are not gonna be trading. Today's today's USD's bank holiday, and also today is OTE level. I wanted to, I want to confirm that it is respecting the OTE level from that high to this low. I wanna confirm that shit for real. And if I can confirm it, then tomorrow I can take a bearish trade on the Euro USD. Why? Because it will because if it respects the OT level from that high to this low, then I'll have I'll have confidence in myself that we are bearish now on the Euro USD for Fridays, and also and on the bigger time frames on USD we are bullish. So that's why I'll be comfortable taking a short trade tomorrow on Friday, aiming for these lows or this low. We'll see about that. Yeah. So for now it is retracing back to inside this expansion. There is this 4-hour fair value gap. Let's see if it respects it or disrespects it. If it respects it and falls down, then it is mean that it is respecting the OT level, and also it has shown changing market structure after taking these buy side liquidity. Yeah, I wanted to go somewhat like this, or somehow like this, you know, or somehow like this. Yeah, it can be do this too. Three scenarios. One scenario is that it is gonna respect this 4-hour fair value gap and starts dipping down after hitting this fair value gap, and another scenario is that it takes buy side from these highs first and hit the OT level from that high to this low, and then starts going lower. And the second is that tomorrow, like tomorrow Friday's Asian session or London session takes these highs, and takes take these high, and hit the upper part of the OT level right there, then I'll be even more confident in shorting this Euro USD. Yep. So three scenarios, yeah, for real. Well, I like to keep my charts clean. Yeah, nice rejection for now, but it can, like, it can still mess it up for real.